Hello, in this video, you will learn how to buy a domain in Odoo. First, you have to log in on your Odoo account and you have to be in this My Portal page right here. And then once you're here, you just gotta click your icon and click My Databases. And then you can select from which database you would want to buy a new domain with. And then just click this gear icon right here and then click Domain Names. And click this Get a New Domain Name so that you will be able to purchase a new domain. And then just enter the desired domain name that you would want for your website. And then Odoo will check the availability of the domain and show you the price. And if the domain is available and you're satisfied with the price, you can proceed by entering your payment details and confirming the purchase. And once the purchase is complete, the domain will be automatically linked to your Odoo website. And it will be easier for the visitors to find you online. And that's it. Please like and subscribe if this helped.